Okay, hello, Physics 210. This is going to be the short video to wrap up Physics 210. So let's see. Uh, so I think at this point in the course, we're at the end. You made it this far. Congratulations. It was kind of an unusual experience because, we did this whole thing online and we had the lab kits and there was all that. Um, but I guess I would like to say that I actually did have some fun, even though it was this unusual, weird online format. And I enjoyed, maybe getting to know some of you a little bit. In person, it would have been much easier to get to know each of you in the class, but we did what we could. Um, Hopefully, you have taken this as a very nice, solid introduction, a nice, solid survey of some rather important topics in physics. And even if you don't go on in physics after this, hopefully it's helped to provide you with some useful ways of looking at the world and thinking about the world. Um, I actually would like to challenge you at this point to maybe go back to the beginning where you did the icebreaker activity, icebreaker discussion, where you introduced yourself, said what you were excited to learn about, and said what you're hesitant to learn. And go back over that and see, do you feel the same way in the sense that, do you feel as though the thing you were excited to learn about, was it everything you hoped it was going to be? And then the thing that you were hesitant to learn, hopefully once you learned it or began to learn about it, it was maybe a bit less intimidating. At least I hope that's what happened, but even if it didn't, that's okay. I'd still like you to go and do this exercise. For myself, I don't think I responded to the survey. But if I had, I probably would have said, um, that I was looking forward to learning something about, from you folks in the class, about ways in which the concepts of physics that we're learning about in this class apply to your chosen career. And one thing that I certainly learned that I didn't know before was about this Venturi mask that I think it was Zane who posted about in one of the discussions. And so then that sort of, set off a kind of interesting little episode in the class where we learn more about Venturi masks and learn some of the controversy about whether they should even be called that. And so that was certainly eye-opening for me, and hopefully it was the same for you. Um, as far as what I was hesitant to learn, I also have hesitations about what I want to learn. I would say, I'm always hesitant to receive student feedback. And this was a semester in which student evaluations are supposed to take place. And I think some of you did complete those. I actually haven't seen the results of your evaluations just yet, but I'm always nervous about being evaluated, and so I'm hesitant to learn what feedback that you have for me. Even though I know it's necessary and I need it, I still am hesitant to find out. Anyway, with all that, I'd like to say good luck. It's been a pleasure having you in this class, and uh, I hope you enjoy the break, and I hope that whether you do or don't go on to take Physics 220, that you'll sort of look back on this class as an experience as as good as it could be given the circumstances, and that as I said at the beginning, hopefully uh, hopefully you picked up some useful ways of looking at and thinking about the world that surrounds you.